How are you today? I am going to be teaching you guys, let me rephrase that. I am going to be teaching non-Jamaicans certain Patois, the proper pronunciation, and the definition. So each week I'll be dropping 2 or 3 videos with different phrases and the definition. Today I will be starting out with 2 words non-Jamaicans do not ever say these words to a Jamaican if you value your life, especially to the men. Do not ever say to a Jamaican man, "Come suck me," or "Go suck out your mama." Okay? That's 2 words for today. Do not ever, if you value your life, say that to a Jamaican. Let me repeat. Why do Jamaican men detest these 2 expressions so much? Because Jamaican men on a whole, there is certain intimacy that they claim they do not participate in. And even if they're lying, it's only them partner should know the truth. Okay? Because outside of the bedroom, them not do it. And when you tell them that to come suck you, and that you're telling them to get down there and, you get the drift. When you tell them to go suck their mama, that's what you're telling them to go and do to their mouth. Okay? Alrighty. Have a blessed day. Don't say me never want to know. Okay? Alright.